everyone. So we are the sensor team. I am Rimjim.
And I am Shruti.
So we've been working for this our RC car, and we were the sensor team. So this is our car.
We are using 4 sensors. We are using parallax ping sensors. That is the front left sensor, this is the front center sensor, and this is the front right sensor, and this is the back sensor. Now we are going to show the LED indication when the object comes close to the car. So when we have an object at the front right sensor, the LED 1 is glowing, and then when we have an object at the middle sensor, we have the second LED glowing, and when we have an object at the front left sensor, we have the third LED glowing. And when there is object at all the 3 sensors, so we have all the 3 LEDs glowing. So this is the indication we have used. And additionally, when an object is close to the back sensor, we have the 4th LED glowing as well. So this is the indication we are using. So these are the sensor values which we are seeing in the Hercules. Additionally, we are also showing the sensor values on the LCD. Thank you.